What's going on, YouTube? So here's the new bike, 2018 KTM 1290 Super Duke R. I just want to shoot a quick video just to give you guys a background as to why I chose this bike and why I chose to buy this bike. I've sold my R1200 GSA. As you can see, it's not here anymore. I've sold it because I'm trying to downsize our bikes. I don't really ride 2-up anymore or do a lot of long trips, or if anything. So my wife rides now, so I don't need a GSA. I used to ride the GSA because we ride 2-up, and she doesn't ride with me anymore. So that's the reason why I'm downsizing. And but I still need maybe a light tourer. So that's the reason why I chose this bike, is because it can do it all in a smaller package. And yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Initially, I was looking at the KTM 690 SMCR 2019, the new one, but when I went to the dealership to talk to them about it, I saw this bike. So just straight to the point, I saw this bike. It's a leftover 2018, and I got a huge discount to get this bike. So it was kind of a no-brainer. It's their last one. It's already March, and it's still there. So I had to swoop it up, and I was able to. They have so much discounts on the bike that it just makes it a no-brainer to just pick it up. So there it is. Still have the S1000, of course. Not getting rid of that because I got rid of my previous two S1000s, and I keep coming back to it, and I'm not gonna make that mistake again. So anyway, I didn't expect to buy the bike yesterday, so I didn't ride it home because I don't have my gear. So I had it delivered to the house. Because it's been raining too. So it was about to rain. Good thing that during the time it was getting delivered, it wasn't raining yet. But as soon as it got home, it started to rain. So it was a good call on my part not to ride it because I don't want to break the bike in the rain, because it's just, I like to keep the bike clean. It's brand new, so I just want to keep the bike clean for a little bit before I smash on it, because I got to do the break-in miles on the bike. The bike has 0 miles literally right now. 0 miles. It's the first time I ever gotten, well, 1 mile now because I went to the gas station and back. But I never gotten a bike delivered to me with 0 miles. So the S1000R, everything else had like at least 5 or 11 miles on them, brand new. Because the mechanic has to run it and test it and stuff like that. For some reason, this one had 0 miles. So I guess either they were just testing it like standing still, or they didn't have to test drive it or anything like that, which is fine for me. So I'll give you guys a quick, maybe a sweeping shot. Sorry, but the garage is really small and it's crowded with stuff right now. So I'm gonna do a proper first ride video. But you guys have seen this bike plenty of times on YouTube, and I don't have to tell you anything. There's nothing new that I can tell you about the bike that's not already been covered many times by journalists and other YouTubers. So, but just my take on this is, since I gave up getting the Supermoto, because I've already had a 701, if you guys know already. I've had a 701, and I've had the 701 Supermoto. I had 690 SMC. I got rid of those for a reason. I got rid of them because we wanted to be more. We wanted to gain more confidence, I guess. We wanted a little bit more fun, but we got over that, I guess, me and my wife, because we both rode the Supermotos. And this one still rides kind of like a Supermoto, to be honest with you, for me personally, but with more power and more, just more of everything. So I'm not actually giving up the Supermoto, but this is still kind of like a Supermoto to me. And it's just a really great bike. I'm almost scared that I'm not gonna be able to ride the S1000R anymore because of how nice this bike is. So we'll see on the ride video when I take you guys on a ride along and talk about how it feels on the road at speed and stuff like that. Because right now, I'm just talking about my ride from my house to the gas station, which is, even at that, it's already really nice, and it's really easy to ride when it's at slow speeds. So can't wait to get up on it and get it up on some faster speed and faster roads. Oh, and before I forget, it has a very awesome key. So it's like a keyless ride as well, like the GSA, and I guess that's what everyone's going for now for premium bikes. Here's how do you open the seat, you know, like same thing as the GSA, multistrada, etc. And you just have to keep it with you. Here's the dealership, Scuderia, San Francisco. Awesome. It's a nice looking key. Well, it's brand new, so no scratches yet. You know, I always drop my keys, and I hope I don't drop this one. So, you know, keyless ride with the bike, you just have to have it on you, and you start the bike this way, press this to turn it on and start. And then keyless ride for the gas tank too. So it's like a GSA, love it. So you guys know the headlight looks like an alien. This part right here lights up. Let me see if I can turn it on. So this part right here, you can turn this off actually. This is a daytime running light. So on the daytime, it just lights up like this. It's so cool. So you're riding along and it just looks like that. And then the headlight when it's nighttime, I think it detects it and it'll just turn on the light when it needs to, the LED lights right here in the middle. So by the daytime running lights, it's this. You can turn this off if you want to be incognito or something like that. I got the bike, by the way, I got the bike in a good deal, like I said. And I have the track pack and the performance pack with this bike. It was thrown in, it was free. So that's why the deal is a no-brainer. It's unfortunate that they have to charge you to get those performance features unlocked. But with my purchase on the bike, I got them for free, which is like, okay, great. You know, and I also got some accessories like extra gloves and a bag, and I got so much good things. So I got to shout out the dealership, Scuderia in San Francisco. They hooked me up. My salesman is Alex. So if you guys are looking for KTM bikes in that area, then you can check it out the store and let him know that, you know, Ken bought the Super Duke and he had a great experience, and that's why we're going here. And you mention me, and then maybe they'll give you a discount. I don't know. It's my first time buying from him, but they already know me. They've known me for a while because I've been looking for this bike since 2017. As soon as I saw that they changed the headlight in this new design, I've been calling them about it. I could never pull the trigger because I've been distracted by other bikes. As you can see, I've been distracted by a lot of bikes. I've been changing bikes so often that, you know, I lost track already how many bikes I've owned in my whole riding career. I think I'm at the 30th count now. But whatever. This one I think I'm gonna keep for good, like the S1000RR, not for good, but like for a long time. I can't say for good because I never do, but for a long time. I'm happy with the S1000RR. I'm not jealous of the new one, like I said on the last video. I'm happy with this. I got all the mods that I want to do with it. I'm satisfied. So this bike, I think, is gonna last me a while because it's a do-it-all kind of machine. I'll just, you know, mod like exhaust. I need to put an exhaust on this bike. So all that is gonna happen throughout the, you know, the riding season this year. If I can get around to it. It's just right now I didn't expect to buy this motorcycle. So yesterday. So like I don't have any plans. I can't tell you what my first plan is gonna be. I don't know yet. I have to ride the bike, get to know it, and then we'll go from there. As soon as the weather clears up, I'll be riding. I'll shoot the video, so just stay tuned for that. Yeah, I don't want to keep you guys too long. It's already been 8 minutes. It's just me for, you know, I just want to give you guys a quick look. Here's the dash. You know, it's so sophisticated. It has all these settings that you can tweak. Even the riding modes, you can tweak each level of them, and there's so many options to change that I don't know how to change them yet. I need to learn them because the S1000R is very straightforward. It's not a lot of settings to change, but this one just like, it's so intricate. It already has cruise control too, so I think this bike is a good light tourer. I think so. It's like, I think I will be comfortable with this, and my wife is thinking about a 790 Duke personally for her, so it's gonna be a nice matching pair if there ever happens. But I don't know yet, so we're still thinking about it. 790 Duke and the 1290 Duke will be a nice pair for touring. She's gonna keep her GSXR because she loves that bike. So she loves her GSXR. She's confident about it. She went to a few track days already with it, and so that's why she doesn't want to give it up. She just wants, sometimes if she wants to go to tour, ride somewhere far, she needs something comfortable. I think the 790 Duke would do that. So, and this one is gonna be for me. Technically, you can do that with the S1000RR too, but the S1000RR right now is set up so aggressively and it's loud that it's just not gonna be nice and probably gonna get pulled over because of the noise level. You know, it's California. Anyway, here it is. I babbled enough. I'll give you guys a nice last sweeping motion and shot of all the bits and pieces that comes with the bike. You see that? Purely stock. And no mods. First off, though, I want to at least get like maybe a skid plate because the engine's really exposed. And a radiator guard maybe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Off the bat. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous looking bike. It's so aggressive, but when you ride it, it's docile. And you can open it up, and it'll come alive. It's really a beast. You guys already know. If you guys you never ridden this bike yet, you gotta try it. It's just, it's gonna make you like just give up whatever you're riding and get this one. Like, I've always wanted this bike for like a couple of years now. I just, I've got others and yeah, delayed it, but universe, I guess, allowed me to get it this time. Yeah, okay. I'll see you guys on the next video where I'm riding the bike and give you guys my ride along thoughts about it. And yeah, we'll keep the conversation going and talk about this bike some more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.